The grand finale of Dimple Mehta presents India's Miss TPPC Season 14, co-powered by Humidix and Fab Oils, concluded successfully in Bengaluru, celebrating talent, confidence and individuality among contestants from across India and abroad. Held at Featherlight Ivoma Hotel, the event began with 73 finalists and concluded with 5 winners after multiple rounds of competition, including cocktail, evening gown, Indo-Western and interview segments. The winner of the season was Arya Avadhoot from Nagpur, while Uditi Malik, Dubai, secured first runner-up, followed by Riddhi Churodia, Kolkata, as second runner-up, Karuna Gulati, Bhatinda, as third runner-up, and Ritika Kumar, Gurgaon, as fourth runner-up. The contestants were evaluated on personality, communication skills, intelligence, and stage presence by a distinguished jury panel featuring international and national pageant personalities. Organized under the Great Pageant Community, TGPC, the platform continues to promote emerging talent in the pageant industry with mentorship, exposure, and professional opportunities for aspiring participants.
Hi, I am Deepak Shahi. I'm the founder of the Great Pageant Community, also known as TGPC, under which we have a pageant called India's Miss TGPC. So today we concluded 14th season. We have done 13th season before, and in this season we had around 2,500 applications that we received, which then went into 400 interviews. 70 girls got shortlisted, and today we have 5 amazing winners who will now be representing our brand. Now, TGPC is basically into pageant coverage. We associate with all the pageant that takes place in India and even across world. So basically, when we choose these winners, we train them to go for bigger pageants. A lot of our talents have gone to pageants like Miss Universe, Miss Earth, Miss International, etc., etc. So this is the success legacy that TGPC has, and these 5 girls will probably uh, rewriting the success once again for us. Okay, so the winner, the season 14 that just got concluded. So we had winner Arya Avadul, who is from Nagpur. The first runner-up Uditi, so who currently stays in Dubai. Then second runner-up Riddhi Churoria, who is from Calcutta, right? Basically, so currently studying in Pune. The third runner-up Karuna Gulati, who is from Chandigarh, and fourth runner-up Ritika, who is from Ajmer and who stays in Gurgaon, basically. So these are the 5 winners that we have crowned today.
जो फर्स्ट विनर है आप मीडिया से बात कर सकते हैं आज जो लॉन्च में आज पहली बार विनर हुए हैं इंडिया लिस्ट टीजीपीसी क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में
First of all, Namaskara Bangalore. It was my first time coming to this state, and you people are very humble, very helpful, and being the winner of India's Miss TGPC itself is a very big achievement. And this journey is not just the grand finale that you see, it is the hard work of 2 months that all of us really pour into. Deepak sir has really mentored us in every possible way, and this is just the beginning. The crown for our India is soon about to come because when you are getting mentored by such TGPC platform, definitely I believe that one day this moment is going to turn a bigger success for our India. Today, winning this crown was a very emotional moment for me because I have been into pageant from past 2 years, and pageant is something that doesn't give you success overnight. You have to work every day. You have to prepare a lot, and you have to be prepared enough to accept failure. This was my third pageant, and I'm so happy to get the achievement. And next year, definitely, I'll be going for the national pageant. And winning this today was the biggest happiness of my life. And witnessing it with my own parents was like a Sonepi Suhaga on it. Thank you so much.